let's base this out, everybody. We're going to use a white powder to go over the eye and then sandwich the design. So up on the top and highlight the cheekbone. This happens really fast and it's nice because it kind of tells us this is where we're going to be. Now I'm loading up some gold. Gold is by far my favorite color for this design, but you can do rainbow, you can do pink and orange, whatever you want. We're just filling in all of that space between the two white outlines above the eyebrow and then tucking a little bit in underneath the eyelid. Make sure you're happy with your base before you move on. Now we're going to add some tiger stripes. We just want to make sure that each end of a line is crisp and pointed. So this is the quintessential thin to thick to thin line. When I do the eyelid, I also like to soften that curve on the inside with just a little bit of black. And then I just go down and back and down and back. As we go through, we also want to throw in some little tiger freckles. You can think of these as cheetah spots or whatever. Anytime I do a design like this, I'm always just thinking wildcat. I like to keep an open area on the gold. So as I'm putting in my stripes and dots, I make sure not to cover everything. So I just go through and I want these sharp lines to give V shapes. So whether it's zigging and zagging back or just an open V, we create these nice little lines that follow some type of flow. And then tuck in a few little messy dots. When you're looking for balance, remember to take a step back and look and be like, did I miss anywhere? Do I want to clean anything up? We don't have to hurry that fast. We want to hustle, but we don't need to hurry. Then I love to use color-specific glitter to finish up this design. This is probably the most sparkly design that I do. Over top of the white and on the blank skin, I'll use a clear rainbow glitter. And then I'll use a golden glitter on top of the gold. And look, it just totally comes together.
Wow!
You look amazing.
That looks really good.
High
What do you
five.
say?
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much.
I love this design. Happy painting.